Hey, team, run it up. What's poppin'? I didn't upload yesterday. It was my sister's last day in town. We all was chilling, spent some time. But yeah, I'm working on something massive too, so stay tuned for that. So today, yeah, I'm just gonna do the promotion they gave me. That's really all I want to do, is make the promotion. It's $58 for 4 batches, so I'm going to complete 4 batches. Hopefully all the batch pays are like $7, but high tips, low miles. So basically minimum pay for Instacart is like $7, right? Something like that. $7 base pay. So, and you'll see a lot of batches with this $7 base pay. So I want to take 4 batches with a $7 base pay. Forget the tips, who cares about the tips? I want to take $7 base pay for all of my batches, right? It's not forget about the tips. Obviously, it'll be awesome and it'll be nice, and this is what I'm looking for the customers to tip me a lot. So if the order is, let's say, 2 or 3 miles away, right, but it's like a $40 batch, that'll be perfect, because I know Instacart's only gonna pay $7. So now if I so let's do the math. If I get 4 batches that are tipping me $40, which is unlikely, but let's just say that, if I get 4 quick batches and each of the customers are tipping me $40, I'd make $160 in tips. And in base pay, right, $7 base pay per batch is $28. $28 base pay, which means Instacart would have to pay me an additional $30. So it'll bring my 160, right? It'll bring my 160. So 160 plus 28 plus 30. It'll bring me to 218, hypothetically speaking, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna go out here and just do the Instacart promotion in hopes to get some good tips. Long story short. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Let's crush it. Oh, all right, so first batch of the day is a 60 double, and it's 9 o'clock, so we're probably gonna miss Costco drop. 100% miss Costco drop. And I don't know how much the batch pay was on this. I didn't see it. I swiped it too fast. All right, let's get it. All right, fam, so we finished that 64, that went down to a 61, and then we swiped a $17 batch on the way here. So, you know, not being greedy, it's only $17, but it's 1 mile away, 14 items. Let's run it up. I don't like sitting around. I suggest you guys do the same. Let's get it. So we back with another one. Delivered that $17 batch and I swiped the 63. This is a far one though. 15 miles, man. It's like a 25-minute drive to the second house. Oh man. Crazy order. Crushed it. But now we gotta drive 25 minutes. All right, fam, so it is 12:50 and we are sitting at, boom. Yeah, running it up, slight day. Started really late today, so that's not bad actually for that. I started at like 9 something taking my first batch. It was 9 something. All right, so we're gonna do something right now. I'm gonna let them be the judge. Bella, right now. So Bella made me a salad. What does this look like? Rate it on a scale from 1. I'm doing that. We're gonna see. Hey, spur of the moment. I want y'all to do something for me and rate this salad on a scale from 1 to 10. 10 being the best, the way it looks, 10 being the best, and 1 being the worst. That's not even right. Bella just told me that if she would have known I was gonna do this, she would have made it look better. So you telling me you just half making the salads when no one's watching? Yeah. All right, so as you guys already know, I'm back home. And we made $241 for the day. Team run it up. Started late today too. Let's look at when I started. Let's look. So we made $241 today, 75, and we started at 9:13 a.m. and we took our last batch at 3:40 p.m. By the way, I just added some, you know, stuff onto my salad. But for fair judgment, I tell her not to add the dressing. I like to add the dressing, so we out.